Yes. So welcome to the demo session of the Terraform. Here we are going to learn on two platforms, AWS and Azure Cloud. And before that, myself, Nagarjuna Vadlakonda. I'm a working guy as well as I'm providing the trainings on especially PowerShell and Azure Cloud. In this area, I took a lot of batches and it is my second individual Terraform training batch. So main intention is we cannot learn the Terraform in 3 hours or 4 hours. Usually when we plan to learn this Terraform generally with Azure DevOps or DevOps, maximum to maximum we will get 3 to 4 hours only. But in the 3 to 4 hours, we cannot get the content. So the main thing, my intention is any technology, once the basics are strong, when we good at basics, not good, expert in the basics, the implementation is very easy. So that's why here the plan of this training is we are going to learn this training from the scratch. So depending on your practice, you will reach to advanced. But I will explain to scratch to advanced. And it is a 25 days to 30 days training. Believe one thing, exactly 15 days is required to complete what we have inside of the Terraform. Day one, it is not programming language, first point. I'm not the developer. This is the first one I'm learning. It is a scripting. No, it is just like a key and value. Sir, who are eligible to learn this one? First of all, already you have an idea on AWS or Azure, any one of them. Any one of them, basic idea. What is if you take AWS, what is a VPC, subnet, route table, internet gateway, public IP, NIC card, storage account, EC2 instance, load balancer, key pairs on AWS. Same things in the Azure point, the terminology is different. Virtual network, subnet, CIDR, virtual machine, storage account. Having the idea, this is a prerequisites. This is a prerequisites to learn the cloud, Terraform. So without knowing AWS, without knowing Azure Cloud, I'm directly coming to the Terraform. Will I get the knowledge? No, sir. If you don't having knowledge on AWS and Azure, straightforwardly I'm telling that on don't take this training. Don't take. Basic idea. I am telling that I am not expert in the AWS. I'm telling to you at least what is the use of VPC, EC2, storage account in AWS, and Lambda function. And for example, if you come to the Azure VM, VNet, storage account, yes, and subcomponents also, their main services I am talking. Load balancers. This information, when we know, then you are eligible to learn this training. And why this is famous? Already so many technologies are there. Even if you take the AWS, cloud formation is there. And come to the Azure point, yes, very famous ARM templates is there. And in the GCP point, we have a Google Deployment Manager. Deployment Manager is there. So to learn what is the main intention of these three services on three different clouds? Only one thing. Deploying the resources by the code. Generally, in the portal, if you want to create a machine, virtual machine on AWS or Azure, for example, I'm going to my Azure account and I'm going to my AWS account. So if I want to create a VM, I have to come to EC2 service. Then after I need to select the I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think this is muted. I'm sorry. From the beginning, one second, guys. I think better try to give mic option. I mean, from the beginning, it was muted. Hello.
No, no, from 2 minutes, Naga.
Okay. Thank you.
You
Thank you.
couldn't
Yes.
able to see her.
Okay. Thank you. So, guys, one thing we are going to integrate this Terraform technology finally with our Docker YAML files. Docker plus YAML. I mean, we are going to deploy the Terraform inside of the Kubernetes, Docker Kubernetes point. We are going to integrate this one. Sir, we don't know anything about the Terraform. Like that only you have to start this year. So I will give you a simple menu. What should we learn in this training? Or I mean, not only this training, if you want to learn the Terraform, I will simply give to you. First, you should learn the providers information. Then after variables. Once if you complete the variables, then after loops or dynamic blocks, we will call dynamic blocks. Then after provider, okay, provider escape, provisioners, three provisioners, file, local executor, or remote executor, similar to your Ansible if you want to execute anything. And backends. So this is the one you can store your state file on the remote location, a very powerful topic. And next one, modules, second important, and workspace. This is a one, it will gives to you 3 stars you can maintain. Workspace, same configuration you can use for multiple environments. Workspace. The workspace, same code you can apply for multiple configurations. And the dynamic data resources or data source and output block. That's all. If you good at these areas, you are the expert. But one component, if you take providers, okay, absolutely here in this area, our provider is definitely Azure Oracle. Azure Oracle. And we need to create the connection your AWS Azure account to here, our AWS account to here, cloud provider, who is the provider. But here variables point, we have a beautiful logic is there. If you try to learn the variables, here we have this is a area different. Variables, it is not possible to learn in 1 minute or 1 second, guys. Definitely we need to focus on a lot on this area. Okay, it is not a 1 minute concept to learn how many variables are there and how to use it. So it is one of the lengthy area. Yes, for example, Boolean, integer, and then after none, any, and complex data type, list or set, little bit related to Python, and map, key and value, object. Map is different, object is different. Complex data type. This is one of the complex data types in the Terraform. Complex data type. So this is direct straightforward values. And list or set. List and set both we will use the square bracket only, but the difference is set always take the unique values only. Map, key and value. Variables again two types. Look, internal and output variable, input variable. Two types of variables are there. I am exactly talking about the input variables. I mean, there are two blocks are there. Here output block is there. Even variables we can use in 5 ways. 5 ways. When you create a variable, yes, you can define the variable block like in this way, ABC, and you can supply the default value type and default value. Yes, otherwise you have a TF state file is there. Sorry, not TF, TF var. You can create one TF var file, like different terminology. And you otherwise you can use, there is a one concept prompting also there. By the prompting also you can supply the values or TF state file. 5 ways totally we can use these variables, right? So variables concept is important, and second one is a loops. Here loops means not other programming languages, only there are two loops, 2 plus 1, 3. One is the count loop, always it will take a number. Same block of code if you want to use again and again, yes, by using these technology. Which one? Count, you can use anywhere. If you write count, that will be executed multiple times. Very simple. Even the life cycle or the deployment of the Terraform is very easy. First of all, you have to create folder level init. Then after, just validate, and then after plan, you can create your TF file also, and then after apply, final one destroy. That's all. This is the life cycle of the your complete Terraform. Init, it will install the drivers, .exe file will be installed. Then after you can start the deployment, write the code. But coding point, you don't worry. I will give the guarantee to you. Just you need a little bit effort. Definitely you will get more clarity on this area. That is my guarantee. You don't worry about the really it is not coding language. It's a key and value Hashi corporation one. Just key and value approach only we will use to learn this. Especially variable decide first idea, and it will create a basic idea on the Terraform. Second one, loops concept. Loops is nothing but repeating same work again and again. Sir, interesting concept here. Loops is not like a general loops. Here, for example, I have one list is there. I want to repeat again and again some code. Again and again, I want to repeat some code. So for that, but every time every iteration point values are different. Every iteration point values are different. So in that scenario, these loops will play the key role to you. I mean, 1 second, I will show you one example. Okay, AWS or Azure, any one of them, but give me 1 minute. I will log into this at my machine. It is asking 1 second, guys. I will check this. Just wait, I'm looking for the one second, just wait. I'm looking for that OTP. Come on. Yes, fine. For example, I will show you one example on Azure Cloud, but this is not only for Azure Cloud and not only for the AWS. Two clouds I'm going to cover. Example, you can take one scenario. I want to I want to create some resources. Otherwise, storage account I will take. This is easy to create. Storage accounts. But before that, I need to create a resource group. See how simple we need to create the resource group. This is what is that provider information, which is option. Just write provider Azure RM. Guys, don't worry. Day one, you will not get any idea on this area. But very simple if you follow properly. Resource. I want to create Azure resource group. Resource group. Name your resource group in the Terraform alias name. Name equals to test RG some number. And location I'm going to give is US. Now I'm creating one variable. My storage accounts. Type is I'm generally are taking any variable you can take. For example, I'm taking list of all strings. General Python idea only. See, I'm writing default value. See, I'm just giving tab automatically. Your Visual Studio Code is creating. My storage account should be unique, na? That's why I'm giving some random characters. This is the first storage account. Control C. Second one. Third one. This is my storage account, another one. Okay. Now how I'm going to create this one now, you can. resource Azure underscore storage account my NSD or my storage account. Yes. First of all, it will ask you region, resource group. Already we created resource group already created. Line number 4. That one only I am giving here. Name and location also. Sorry. Location. Yes. Sir, if you don't know this code, don't worry. I'm just showing to you how the loops are works here. Resource underscore group underscore location. Next, what is the mandatory? Access tier is there. For example, access tier, I will take here standard, general one, premium standard is there. And next one, replication, I will take GRS. This is the best one. Or LRS, copies. But storage account name, how to get, we will see. See, I am using one of the variable count. Count equals to length of my variable number 8 line. My SG. Length. I mean, how many are there? 3 are there. 3 times this code is going to use. How to run? Na? See, here I'm writing one logic. Storage account name. Otherwise, name my variable var dot mysg inside index dot count. Even still I'm getting the error. Count came, name came. 1 second. Why I'm getting an error? I will check this one. Access tier is pending. Access tier is already provided. Named access tier is required. Standard. 1 second. Count. Count after I'm providing the name. Okay, this is I provided reversal. My intention is I want to move from the scratch. That is main intention. And now I'm writing access tier. Access tier. Just wait. If we don't know, definitely we have to refer the documentation. It is not possible to remember every component. Right. Storage account. Okay, there are 10 matches. Storage, replication, okay, GRS. Okay, this one standard is fine. Otherwise, I will use the same thing. No, 1 second. Copy. It is repeated 2 times. No. Access tiers. Standard. Standard. Account wise, sir. Again, I'm getting Azure RM storage account, MySD count. This is fine.
Naga, I mean, the resource what you have taken is my SPG, right? And the variable is declared something different. Is
Like,
that creating an issue?
we have
Oh,
to
right. Not, no. MySD. My RG. Correct only name.
close the bracket. Close.
Oh, closing the bracket is missing. 1 second. Are we missing anything? Length, perfect. Var dot. Our variable name. What is our variable? MySD, fine. Name of this one. Name of the storage account. Var dot. Storage account name. Var dot MySD. Count dot index. Resource group name. Resource group name. Azure RM. Resource group. Okay, fine. And okay, location is not given. Location also given. That is my RG location. Standard. Required attribute access value not specified. Oh, this one already I'm providing. This is not accepting. Just wait, guys. I think anywhere we have are missing
Location variable is wrong. MySG.
location.
MyRG. You are mentioned MyRG.
My RG, yes, my RG.
No.
Of that location.
Content not access tier.
Just wait. Resource. One second. Azure RM underscore storage account. Any name, my storage account, my SD. Okay, some name. First one, what is the mandatory? Access tier it is asking. Access tier I'm giving a standard. Okay, next one. Accounting is not replication. LRS. Okay, before that, yes, count I'm taking. Count length of my variable var dot my SD. And name I will give. 1 second, name. Name equals to my variable var dot and my SD index of count dot index. Every time 0, 1, 2, 3 it will come. Next, resource group Azure RM dot line number 4 resource group my RG dot name location Azure RM underscore resource group my RG location. Still why you are waiting? Account tier. Account tier, this is a access tier. It is account tier. I'm so sorry. Spelling small mistake. Even previous also correct. Correct? Mistake is clear? That is not access tier. What is that?
Account tier.
Account tier. That is small mistake. Okay, now see when I'm running init, you can observe init. Even there is refresh command also there. Now, if I run simple command, this is I not list outed in the general. If I write a FMT format, proper alignment it will take. You can see automatically for proper alignment. Terraform, validate, all will check. Left side, right side, everything is good. Terraform, you can directly view the valid plan. Otherwise, plan find again it will ask you. I mean, you can here create the TF file. Mostly we will create the TF file in this area. Yes, it is going to create this one. Apply. You have to give auto approve. Otherwise, it will ask you yes or no. It will ask you yes or no. 4 resources it is going to create. One is a resource group. Three are the storage accounts. This is a way we will use the loops. Here, example is doesn't matter. Yes, it is a matter of an AWS. Even Azure Point also same thing. So your concept is the 15 sessions are common in the AWS or Azure, whatever it is. But while explaining, I will cover 2 clouds. After 15 days, we will focus on the cloud services. Why? Because once we know the all alphabet, we can perform any type of action. We can perform any type of action on that. And even existing, for example, already existing resources which are created before Terraform. I want to get back to my state file. State file is a very important file. It will hold the complete configuration. Even you can see there is a state file is there. You can see TF state file. This state file maintaining on the same machine or locally, it is not a good practice. We need to store somewhere like on clouds, S3 or Azure storage account or Git. Not Git, storage account. I mean somewhere or not on the local. Now, I mean this is we will call backend approach. We will call as a backend feature. And second one, yes, I said if any resource previously created without Terraform, but now you are deciding you want to manage and you want to use that service here. That is possible with the help of the Terraform import command. Existing already before coming to Terraform, some resources already created. Yes, and if you want to recreate any service again after deployment, tenant and untent command is very powerful one. And when you execute here, see guys, here one more thing, see, just closely observe. Workspace are very powerful one. Terraform workspace ls list. See, same code you can use for multiple environments. Even lot of logics we can apply. If you want to go to the complete Terraform console, like PowerShell console, Linux console, Terraform console also we have. You can ask Terraform, what is my workspace? Yes, what is my workspace? Please come outside. Please come outside. Terraform, create the workspace. Workspace means same code, one more Xerox copy, but you can maintain your different values. See, Naga. Naga. Now ask the same question. Terraform, what is my workspace? Workspace, ls, or list. Star symbol will decide we are at which workspace. Yes, here also you can ask the same thing. What is the Terraform.workspace? Which workspace? Terra.workspace. Terraform.workspace. Which workspace we are now? Should go to the console. List, not this one. Terraform.workspace. See, and how to switch to one workspace to another workspace? I want to delete the existing one. Terraform workspace. See, same code will be copied, guys. Simply, same code one more time you can implement it to another technology. Even in this technology, just you can observe two loops for creation point. That is a count and another one is a for each meta argument. Count work with index. For loop only accept map and set only. Only these two data types only accept. And this loop will work for each. What is that? Index came. This is it will work. Each that key, each that value. And only one conditional statement, that is a condition. Condition is true action. Condition is false action. That's only one conditional statement, but huge collection of ready-made functions are available. We can convert to any data type to list to map. Yes, any data type. First of all, list to map is better option. Map means key and value approach. Key and value approach. And every service point, we can also create the life cycle. See, life cycle means to prevent accidental deletion. For example, if I write the life cycle, prevent accidental deletion, if you make it true, if someone trying to delete this one, for example, I have some in configuration. 1 second, I will switch to, I'm going to the default workspace, Terraform workspace, select default. Okay, if I'm trying to delete complete configuration, before that, is it really created? So not only Azure, just I took an example. Yes, it is created 3 storage accounts. If you want to deploy, just write this try. Yes or no, otherwise it will ask. Just write the approve. Only some thumb rules are there. Remaining technology is very easy. It is not going to delete the storage account. Why? Because we are storing in the form of this type. I mean, we are maintaining in the this try equal to prevent this one. So this is a error. This is a valid error. It's a valid error. Cannot be destroyed. The reason is you written this one. How can I delete it? If you want to remove this one, you need to again modify it. And the better option is when you do any change in the file, Terraform refresh is a command. And then after, yes, it will update the complete information. Any changes are there. It is not going to delete anything. Refresh only. And it will update the changes. Yes, life cycle is there. Even this cloud provider is there. In one file, you can write the code for multiple Azure accounts, multiple AWS accounts. With help of there is a alias concept is there in the cloud provider, not here, provider area. Here, alias, test, subscription. This is, sir, you may have one doubt. Sir, where is the connection you created? Directly I'm executing. Yes, sir, I have already existing connection. I will show you in regular training area. And variables, again, local variables also there. That is hard coded to your program, which will not allows you to modify variables only, like general variables only. Okay, finally, I'm saying only one word. Even if you go to the course content, the same information only available. Just do it. Not here. Yes. Only one timing. This is the old type batch timing, but now this batch is 9 to 10 p.m. only. There is no other batch. Again, one more next batch will come in the October only. This batch is exactly night 9 to 10 p.m. Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour. Total 25 to 30 days it will take. Okay, this is a syntax information, but here content is very simple. Here I'm going to cover development point, complete development point. I'm going to cover about the Terraform certification point, which is very easy to you. Yes, identify nothing but variables point, provide a resource, input, output, local variables, and syntaxes. Depends on, I mean, one service depends on another one, loops. For total 3 loops, but third loop we will use in the output block only. Yes, variables, data. Even content point, it is very simple. But technically, once we enter the training, you're just observe here, you are taking the Terraform course 1 month. Only Terraform course you are going to learn 1 month. This is a different way. I mean, 1 month we are every day to you, that is new thing to you. First 15 days are complete secrets of the Terraform. Complete secrets of the Terraform. Next onwards only, we have a versional course. And batch going to start from this Thursday. So today is the 10th, na? Probably 14th or 15th. 15th anyhow not possible. Wednesday, maximum Wednesday I'm going to start. 14th onwards, we have the regular sessions. That's all, guys. This is about the demo session. Any queries you can ask.
Hi, sir. This is Abhinav.
Yes, Abhinav Reddy. Yes.
Yeah. So actually, a small question is like when you said AWS cloud and Azure cloud, so how you differentiate it? Like you will be first going with AWS or Azure, or you'll simultaneously be
No, parallelly.
parallel.
Okay. First 15 days, we will implement on 2 clouds. I mean, first 15 days plan is we are not going to concentrate on services.
Okay.
First 15 days, we are going to learn the basics of the Python. I mean, that only important.
Okay.
So that day 1 onward, we are going to work on 2 clouds. Otherwise, your only requirement is only AWS. You can stick to AWS. But I will cover here 2 technologies. I'm
Okay.
ready to teach any service after these 15 days.
Okay.
Okay.
So, the another thing is like I have an idea on Terraform, so I can rate it like 60% on Terraform. So the small question is like personally I want to ask. So when you create RTS, right, in AWS, so is it possible to change, like, once you update it, once state file is created? So if I want
Okay.
to change it, does it changes or it will recreate it?
It recreated. There is an actual drawback on it.
Yeah, yeah.
It is a recreator. From again, it will first vanish, nothing but delete. Again, it will create from the beginning.
So there is no chance of
There is no chance. Yes.
That's,
Even that we can consider a drawback. If you do
yeah.
small change, if you apply again from the beginning, it will recreate it.
Okay.
So,
So actually, I'm working on that actually. So
okay.
yeah.
And guys, this is a registration process. After the payment, please send your screenshot to this number only. Then I will add to your number to one special group. From there, I will communicate. Yes. Any queries, guys, regarding this one? I mean, it's a weekend. You will enjoy. So you are allocated valuable 1 hour time. That's why I'm asking.
So what, can I know the fee structure, sir?
Sorry?
Sir, is it like every day or only
Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. There is no sessions on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
Monday to Friday, morning 9 to 10.
Night 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. Every day.
Sir. So can
Monday.
I know the
It's
fee
not on the
structure, sir?
morning, only in the night, sir.
Only in the night only. Yes.
Okay, cool.
9 sir. 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. sir.
9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Yes, sir. Correct.
Oh, p.m. Okay. Sir, can I know the fee structure, sir?
Sir, it is a 3,000, sir. It is a complete fees only. And one more thing, after every live, you will get the daily recordings. After every live, same thing, you will get the daily recording. For example, day one, you're attending live or not, every day you will get the daily recordings.
Sir, for doubts, can we call you directly or?
You can, it is interactive training, first of all. Even if you have any queries, evening hours, it will be fine for me, 5 to 6 or 5:30 to 6:30. I'm ready to give that answer.
Sir, are you going to start in the morning, sir? Morning, I will be
Morning in the
available.
October only, sir. No, not presently, not available. In the October only, we have that.
Sir, can you know the fee structure, sir, for Terraform?
It is a 3,000, sir. It is a 3,000. Are you able to see this
Okay.
screen, sir? Payment screen QR
3,000.
code?
3,000. Yes, yes, 3,000.
Yes, yes. This is
Hello,
Girish
Naga sir.
here.
This is Somesh here.
yes, Somesh, right? Yes. Yes.
Yeah, actually, I'm attending your this August month PowerShell scripting. And how does it is it going to help something related to this scripting part, this Terraform
Really,
tools?
it is not scripting, not that much of
Yeah.
complicated. First of all, not like a PowerShell. It is a more easiest.
Okay. And next question is, as I don't have access to AWS platform and Azure, where as you were showing that it will help me on AWS and Azure. So anything I need to download or something where,
No, no, no,
uh,
no, no.
okay,
Azure point, you need the credit card, but AWS point, it is very easy to create the account. By debit card is it is very
okay,
easy manner. Anyway,
okay,
if you are learning, if you want to learn the Terraform, better to go with AWS. It is completely free
okay.
and no need any credit card. Just with the help of the ATR, sorry, what is debit card, we can create it.
Okay. And if in Azure I need to do practice, as I'm working in IT company where I have Office 365 account and Azure cloud, so in which where I need to do practice and all.
I mean, do you have any subscription? Generally, vouchers are available. Do you have that?
No.
No. So otherwise, you need to create that account from your end by using the credit card. That is free trial is available.
Okay, free trial is available.
I will show you
Oh,
how to create the account. Directly day one, I will not explain.
okay, you will show it. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
how to create the account.
Yeah,
Even
are you
Terraform,
aware? Yeah, what would be the credit card amount for that creation?
2 rupees.
Oh, okay,
That will be again refunded only. Actually,
okay,
Azure is doing 1 month. They are completely providing to you 1 month free with a $200. That is
okay.
free only. So second
Mhm.
month onwards, that will be chargeable. But anyhow, 1 month we are going to complete our training.
Okay, understood. All right.
Naga Girish here.
Yes, Girish.
See, when you talk about the use cases after 15 days, is it something which you are going to show us on the infrastructure built by using Terraform? Like
Yes, sir. I mean,
some,
yes, absolutely. I will complete your question also. Yes, your
yeah.
question is, I'm going to cover this main basics and concepts of the Terraform on two platforms. For example, if I'm taking loops, how to implement a loop on the two technologies. So the first 15 days, my main intention is Terraform scratch to basic these components of the Terraform. Remaining 15 days, how to use these basics on the cloud environment. What
You
is
mean to
clear?
say by using Terraform, we can build the infrastructure like 10 VMs if you want to create at a time,
Very
or
simple.
if you
Yes,
want to create,
yes.
yeah, all those things you will learn
Cover.
right in these
Yes,
15
sir.
days.
Sir,
Yeah.
covering creating 10 VMs is a one line step only. Just a matter of if you write here,
Yes.
like this is if you write here 10, that's it is going to create 10 VMs. If it is a VM point.
Okay. So about other services also.
Right, sir. That is a different area we have to learn. I think you're aware about my other training, if you don't mind. I mean, same manner from the scratch to advanced. First, I will build the idea on the first of all on the technology. Then we can create the magic. That is my guarantee.
Sure, thanks, Naga.
Sir, will you, I mean, even guide like data source, like, connecting, you got it right, my point?
I mean, different technologies. No? I mean, I said here one thing.
No, in
By
the
the Git.
Terraform.
Yes. Right, sir. By the Git, we have our files, Terraform files on Git. We are going to connect from there also. Yes.
Sir, I have paid it. Can you please check it? Abhinav.
Yes, sir. I will update you. Don't worry about it. I will update you after this completion. I will update you.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Naga, are you planning to take any weekend classes?
No, sir. Weekend completely scheduled with other trainings. Up to
Okay, any
November.
upcoming batches?
Upcoming, definitely we have after the November, October ending, like that.
Terraform or any other thing like cloud DevOps or something like that?
DevOps, we have a one plan. I will update you guys. If you stay in that group, definitely. With the 13 tools, including Git actions, I'm going to plan a new batch. Definitely, I will update you.
Okay, because I am attending your PowerShell classes, which is 8 to 9 in the morning session, Monday to Friday.
Okay.
But other I don't have a time to in the evening because I work on the Europe shift. So if you have
Better,
anything
better.
like weekend
Plan only
batches,
move with one training only, sir. Definitely. After that, definitely I will update you when very shortly we have the DevOps training. In that, it is Terraform also one of them. I will update you.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay, guys.
Good morning.
And yes, Raja.
Morning.
Yes, Raja.
Yeah, in our office environment, they are using the DevOps pipelines also.
No. Your voice is, sometimes going the frequency low. Could you speak loudly?
Yeah. Now?
Now it is good. Please go ahead.
Yeah. In our office environment, they are using Azure DevOps for pipeline. They are using for deploy the resources by using Terraform.
Okay.
Can you please cover with this course or how to?
Definitely. Inside of the pipeline, you are going to call this configuration files, but we won't explain here Terraform pipelines. But the same code only there also.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Guys, I will update the same video in the group also. And I will those who are completed their payment, I will update your number to the group. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, do